Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm sharing a complete method for effective product research, essential for a successful online businesses. So let's get started. First thing first, product research. Identify your market. Define the audience, determine demographic, physiographic, and behavior pattern of your potential customer. Pain point. Understand the problem your audience faces and how your product can solve them. Survey and interview. Collect directly feedback to a survey, focus group, or one-on-one interview. And analyze competitor. Identify competitor research company offering similar product like you. Competitive analysis, pricing strategy, future and benefit, branding and messaging. Review analysis, study customer review of a competitor to find gap or opportunity. So this is the very best place. Review analysis, study your customer review of competitor to find gap or opportunity. Understand industry trend. Market demand. You must estimate demand using tool like Amazon bestseller, Noon bestseller, and social media platform like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and keyword research. For keyword research tool like Google Keyword Planner, CMS, product testing, for prototype testing with a similar group of users, seasonality, and identify if the product is evergreen or seasonal. And validate pricing strategy. Cost analyze, calculate production, marketing, and operational cost, and competitive pricing. Compare price with competitor and customer willingness to pay. Test price model with your audience, how much your customer pay your product, and test marketing channel, ads campaign, run small social media campaign on platform like Facebook and Instagram, uh, TikTok, and Google to engage with interest. Landing page. Create a pre-launch landing page to collect email or pre-order. Social media proof. Use testimonial influencer are really adapted to test credibility. And the fourth one is leverage uh, technology. Analyze for analytics tool, use tool like Google Analytics, Hotel, or Crazy Edge to understand online behavior. And social media listing use tool like Brain 24 Hostage, or Track, Mention, and Sentiment. An e-commerce platform analyze popular product category and trend on platform like Amazon, Etsy, or TikTok Shop, and Shopify. So the five pin is conduct pre-launch activity. Beta testing. Launch the product to a small group to gather feedback and refine. Add partnership. Collaborative with influencer or complementary brand and the hive building use kick down and reach and behind the scenes conduct to build entrepreneurship. So the tool to assist market research, Spacetista, Arbriswall, National competitor analysis, similar web survey platform, for the survey platform, Survey Monkey, Interprom, and keyword research ahead or Uber. So follow me on LinkedIn, and so let's connect